All right, how's it going? So, picked this up finally. This isn't released, or it's not supposed to be released till the fourth quarter of 2022. So I got this pretty early. This is a Fast and the Furious Nano house, Toretto's house. It's obviously one of the scenes, the Hollywood scenes that everyone knows. I actually live not too far from this actual house. Keep in mind though, you don't really want to go there and bother the people there because they're pretty sick of it for living there and it being the famous Toretto's house. So definitely don't go in there and pull up in their driveway because you will get yelled at. I've seen it before. So pick up a few of these. Now, I got the house and I had to get some of these as well. I'm not sure when these are supposed to be released, but I ended up getting two different sets to go along with this house. Now, I do have an additional house here that I will be either raffling off or selling, or I don't know. I'm not trying to look for like crazy resale value or anything like that. But I ended up getting two because I was thinking about keeping one and opening this and putting it in the display case. But honestly, I don't really care to keep this in the box or anything. I really just want to put it in the display case that I have. So reading the box, it says it has two die-cast vehicles, which is the Charger and the Supra. It also has 13 parts. Now, I did see some footage of this house already, and it looks like it's going to be the dinner table they have in the backyard where they all gather up and have like crazy barbecues. So I'm just going to go ahead and start opening this right now just to see what's inside and set it up to get it ready to go into my display case. It's funny how these little cars are actually die-cast cars because they look like plastic until you get them in your hand. You kind of see that they're a little heavy. So that's everything for in the box. This is the front of the house. I believe that barn door actually opens. That has tape there. That's dope. So I guess Toretto's car, his Charger, can actually go in there. So these are the cars. This is a Supra. Not crazy on the detail, but you can tell. If you watch the movie, you can tell this was the Supra from the movie. Not bad. And this is a Charger. So tiny. The engine's kind of lopsided. Maybe, oh yeah, you can actually move it around. There you go. All right, now I'm going to open the rest of the pieces here. So, looks like to be the road. This is, what is this? That could be the backyard. And the driveway for sure. Okay. Well, then you get some more little pieces. This is what I was talking about. Oh, it comes with the little barbecue pit. That is so cool. That's going to look real cool in the display case. So let's kind of build this out, I guess. Okay. Oops. And then this house drops in. So I guess the way it was laid out was this car was parked here. What's this one? Here, I think. That's pretty dope. This is gonna look really sick. So let's open this up too, I guess. Bunch of tiny pieces. I mainly do Hot Wheel collections. I don't really mess around with these tiny ones unless it's Fast and the Furious themed. I mean, I do have these cars here, which I don't know. I guess I'll open before I cut this off. Let's try to do it nice, I guess, even though it's a little too late for that. All right, so we get another Charger. We get the clips, and then my favorite truck, which looks like it's gonna be hard to come off. And then Brian's Lightning. This is one of my favorite trucks in Fast and the Furious. I still want one to this day, but they're pretty run down when you find them, and then when you find them in good condition, they're really expensive. Plus, I don't really have the space or cash to pick one up, but definitely want one of these in my lifetime. This is the Ford Lightning, the SVT Lightning. Forgot what year. But yeah, this thing is awesome. I really love this truck. Pretty much it. I'm gonna end the video here. I wasn't trying to make this too long, but this is pretty dope. If you're a Fast and the Furious fan, this will be a pretty cool item to add to your collection.